Let's go people, let's go. Let's go people. Welcome to the Pepper Crunch tour, lady and gentlemen.
Just the two of us sometime. Do you mind up above in the skies? Let's fly away in the morning sun.
First of all, I just want to say the biggest thank you for each and every one of you for coming down for the Alpha workshop. We truly believe that we're not here not only as a wedding videographer, but also some people that can actually affect people's life through your work because we have experienced it before. I always remember this one email this lady sent to us. She works in the mental hospital, so she gets really stressed. But then every time she gets stressed, she go into our blog and she just watch our work and it makes her happy. And when I read that, I'm like, oh, this is it. This is why I'm doing this. So I hope you guys bring what we have learned, what we have taught, put it in your mindset, and look forward for a bright future.